Hey, welcome back. Thank you for joining me again. I recently did a cool room called Madness on Try Hack Me. There was some really cool, interesting ways they decided to hide some information. I thought I'd go over how I solved the room and show tricks and stuff I used. So let's get into it. Okay, first things first, what I want to do is CD to my documents and make a directory for Madness. There we go. Clear that out. Get an nmap running. With an out file. Nmap.txt. There we go. I'm going to need the IP address 222.198. So we'll get that scan going along. Just going to make a couple extra tabs in case I need them. And rename my tab there. So what we have here is a room that has a lot of data hidden, stored in image files, and certain portions of this room I had to think out of the box to kind of figure out where stuff was and how to get to it. So it's gonna be fun. Okay, we have port 80. We have SSH on port 22, and that's all we have for now. So I'm gonna start Ferrex Buster. There we go. Got 198. I'm just doing this to enumerate directories that may be on the web page because we have a TCP, or excuse me, HTTP server, Apache 2.4.18. Just doing this for enumeration purposes. There's my window key. I'm gonna press that and press the left arrow to half screen size that. I'm gonna open up Firefox as well as Burp Suite. And see if I can't find anything interesting while manually browsing the web page. Make sure I turn on my Burp Suite proxy. Go over here to proxy on Burp Suite and turn intercept off. Grab this IP address real quick, paste it in there, and see what we got. Okay, so there's a default page for Apache 2. This kind of sticks out to me here. I don't know what that is, so let's see. Apache 2 default page. We'll do the images here. It looks like there's supposed to be an image there, but on this page, it looks broken. So let's kind of see what that's about. I'm gonna inspect the page source here. Green text. I always look at green text. Okay. Not too much. What's that? They will never find me. Okay, I'm just looking down the source code to see if I can find any more potential useful green text, and doesn't seem that way. But okay. we have, I'll just come over here. Inspect that element. And it is thm.jpg. So I'm going to go over here in one of the other tabs I have. And I'm going to get, first I'm going to cd documents, YouTube, and then Madness. Then I'm going to get this address, and then thm.jpg. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I'm going to verify it's in the directory here, thm.jpg. The image isn't showing up on the page, so I'm assuming that it's broken and there's something wrong with it. So the first thing I'm going to do is probably go to hex edit. There we go. And already I'm kind of seeing something that doesn't look right here. It's labeled a JPG and it's listed as a ping here. So I'm also going to scroll down this this code here. There may be some kind of hidden flag or something interesting down here. But I think probably fixing the hex code for this image will be fruitful. It could just say Debian. We're done with it, so let's see here. This is quite the long scroll. So I'm just going to figure out how to change that to say JPEG, which means an experience. That would be a JFIF or JFIF file. So I'm going to say hex code for JPEG. Was it JPEG or JPEG? I forgot. Okay, it was JPG. Okay. Hex code for JPG. There we go. JPEG slash JFI. Okay. So I go here. And it looks like FFD8FF. Look down and verify that. So, okay. Go back here. FFD8FF. That doesn't look right, does it? Okay, so I just needed to finish filling out the rest of the stuff. I assumed that it just was the first couple. Ladder place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First 9 here. And that makes it the JFI file. JFI file. I don't know how to pronounce it. And so that should fix the image. This was the correct link and everything. It just didn't replace enough characters. So let's go ahead and Control X to save that. Yes. So now I'm going to open my folder here. YouTube's Madness. And we have a fixed image. And it says hidden directory. This is hidden. Okay. So what we're going to do is go here and turn Firefox back on proxy. Duplicate this tab. I don't think it's really good. And then th1s underscore s h1. Okay. That didn't work. Let's see. Nope. If I didn't have a typo every 30 seconds, I'd be much faster at this. Okay. So there's our image. This only really found server status, so I don't think ferric oxide is going to find anything more, to be honest, because, you know, we had to find a hidden directory to get here, so before I start doing stuff, let's see if I can actually just start enumerating this directory. See if I find anything. And the screen says, "Welcome. I've been expecting you. To obtain my identity, need to guess my secret. Secret entered. Okay. I don't know. Well, I'm going to look at the source code because green text is always useful. It's between 0 to 99. I don't think anyone will look here. Okay. So try some stuff here. After playing with it for a while, I tried things like page equals 1. I had no effect here. I didn't recall which file type they used. The Wappalizer doesn't necessarily show, so I also tried PHP equals 1. Didn't get anything there. HTML. Tried a few different things in the write-up, but looking back at source code here, actually I don't think I need to do that. So it says, to obtain my identity, you need to guess my secret. Eventually it dawned on me that question mark secret equals 1. So let's see what 2 says. So now I'm getting something on the page. The secret is changing. It's going to take me a long time to go from 0 to 99. So what I do is go to my burp suite here, turn intercept on, go to page 4. Actually, no, before I do that, I go to Google and I search for list 1 to 100, separate lines. I look for a list of numbers 1 to 100, just like this. Turn Firefox back on. Now intercept is on. Okay. Enter here. Now we have this list here. So I'm going to highlight the 4. And I'm going to right click and send to intruder. There we go. We have positions here. I'm just going to delete the 4. We go to the payload. I'm going to copy this list to my clipboard. And then I'm going to paste here. So I have 1 through 100. And then verify the positions, target, good. So I'm going to start the attack. Now, I could use Turbo Intruder here, but I'd have to like make a text file and all kinds of stuff. And I don't know, in the interest of, actually, you know what? Let's do that. I'm going to cancel this. I want to do this with Turbo Intruder because it is crazy fast. So, which directory, man? Okay, clear all that. Touch number dot text, and then gedit. Oh, pay, oh, okay. That tripped me out. Oh, whatever. Under dot txt. We're going to put the name in when I did that. So there we go. Save. Make sure I have it. Okay, yeah. Okay, gedit. There we go. I know what I did there. So now if I cat number.text, there's our number list. So we come here, documents, to folder, at least there you go. So now, because I'm lazy, I'm just going to do this, copy that, go over here, highlight the 4, send to turbo intruder. See the %s is the variable we're changing. I believe this is the last code I used. So I'm going to replace this with the madness number.text, and this should be less throttled than regular intruder. So let's see what happens. Launch it. And it looks like, what? There we go. Secret 73, we got a different output here. Welcome, I've been expecting you. You guessed the number, 73. We got it. And we have this, whatever this is. So if we come over here, turn off the interceptor, we want to see this on the actual page. We can type in 73, just enter, and there it is. We guessed it. Now that looks like a weird string. I'm not sure if that's a coded or hashed or what, but it's definitely something to check out. So uh, so we have this page here. Paste this in here. Say secret from hidden directory. Now, I don't know what this is, so turn off Burp Suite real quick. Go over here to Cyber Chef. Just in case this might be something, I'm gonna slap magic on it and see if I get anything back. And there's nothing really obvious that's happening there, so. Okay, we open up a new tab. To documents. YouTube. Madness CTF. Okay. I just wanted to get that on a different tab because, yeah. Secret obtained from. There we go. Save. All right. So we have a secret now. I don't know what the secret is, but we have it. Okay. So the only place I recall seeing an image and the fact that this is like a room that's supposed to be about stuff hidden in files and whatnot. We'll check out this THM file and see if I can do steg hide and extract any data from it. I guess password protected, so steg seek. I don't think I'll actually get anything from this, but we'll just see. And there's no passwords there. So, remember I was kind of stuck with this for a while, but interestingly enough, after a lot of just pulling my hair out, what little I have left, I put 2 Ds in Madness. There we go. One interesting thing about this room is that this file here actually has some stuff in it. Okay. I guess I'll just get it from there. Gotta copy it. Okay. Or not. Copy. Nice. There we go. So we're going to wget that. Check it out. Make sure we have it. And then I'm going to use sticks hide first to see what we get. It's password protected, and we got password text from it. So this took me a really long time to figure this out. I was like lost for a while. But now here we have a password. So we have username, we have password. Actually, no, we just have this. We don't have a username, but we do have a password. So, in the interest of the room and the fact that it says there's no SSH brute forcing, and we have a bunch of images and there's a bunch of data hidden everywhere, I decided I want to use steg hide again on thm.jpg. I might actually have a passphrase because this is a secret we obtained. So it's not a username. It's a secret. It's a password for something. And we have another password here. So I don't know. Maybe we can use this to gain access or something to this image here. So I'm going to try that. And look at that. Hidden dot text. Yeah, I don't think Rocky would have found that. So ls will cat hidden dot text, and we have a username. Now, originally, oops. Originally, spent a lot of time, too much. Oops. Trying to use this password or this username here, and I got kind of stuck. So I actually clicked the hint button here on Try Hack Me, and it says there's something rotten about this guy's name. So immediately I kind of thought, okay, back to CyberChef. So what I did was I took the username, I copied the selection, put it in here. Initially, I usually just throw magic at things. I didn't really get anything from here. But based on the hint that we have, it's possible we may have some kind of rot. So I'm just going to go down the list. Rot 13. There we go. Okay. Easy. First try. Good. So Joker is our username. Here. Just going to click that. Rot 13 cipher. Okay. So now what we have is Joker, which is a username. We then have this string here, Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and try to SSH in to this as Joker. We have the password here. Hopefully it works. Let's see. Paste. There we go. We've got our shell. So we do quick print working directory and less. And here we have home Joker is where we're at, and user.text. So I'm going to cat user.text, and there's the first user flag. Do sudo -ll, see if I have any type of sudo privileges, see what's going on. And it looks like he is not able to use, he's not in the sudoers profile. So next course of action would be to check the sudo -- version. Okay, version 1.8. There's a sudo version that's lower than this one that actually you can do like a sudo -user #-1, and it gives you root when you run certain things. So that is not the case here. So what I'll do is I'll do a find /-perm -4000 to dev/null. Okay, so now looking at the SUIDs, which is what we try to find with this, we see after you've done a few of these, you'll see a lot of these are fairly common. Not too many of them are too fruitful or exploitable. But what we do have is bin screen and bin screen.old. So this is unusual. I don't really know what this is. This looks like extra software or something that they put on here. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the Google and search for bin, oops, not bin, screen -4.5.0 exploit. And let's see what we have here. Right out the gate, we have exploit DB. What does this say? So it's a bash script planet. Do I just run this? Excuse me. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just copy this text here. Okay, I'll just copy everything. And I'm going to seep into TNP. I'm going to nano 1.sh. Paste this in here. There we go. Control X to save the changes. Save it as sh chmod plus x 1.sh so that we can execute it. .forward 1.sh. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so let's do a quick UMI. And it looks like we're root. So cd/root and cat root.txt. No, what? Okay. Should have worked, I guess. And there's the root flag. So, there you have it.